Dark lips can be caused by many factors like sun exposure, smoking, dehydration, or even just genetics. But don't worry, there are effective medical products that can really help restore your lips to their natural color. So here are the best medical products for dark lips. This is not medical advice, it's for educational purposes only. So first, a lip balm with SPF can protect your lips from harmful UV rays, which can cause darkening over time. Vitamin C serums are excellent for brightening the skin and can be applied carefully around the lips to lighten dark spots. Another great option is lip scrubs that exfoliate dead skin and promote healthy pink lips. Now, if you're dealing with hyperpigmentation, retinoid creams like Tretinoin can really speed up cell turnover and reduce discoloration. Lastly, kojic acid creams, which are commonly used to lighten dark spots, can be applied to your lips for gradual improvement. Now, with these products, you can help restore the natural beauty of your lips and feel more confident every day. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more skincare tips. I love ya.